Hey, it's Michael Saul, also known as Tiny, with the market video for the week of May 20th, 2013. So, market continues to give the bears agita, continues to move higher here. No signs of any trouble up here. We are extended, we are overbought. That means nada. Okay, it does not mean we can continue to go. You can never underestimate the complacency in the market. All right, new highs across the Russell, the Dow, the S&P. Those are new all-time highs. New multi-year highs on the Nasdaq, the Qs. All right, I am still watching for a pullback, but I'm not going to just use a number where I feel that pullback is going to start from. I talk to a lot of bears every day. Another one seems to come out of hibernation and writes me and says, this can't continue. Okay, I agree. It cannot continue forever like this. But that being said, does that mean it's time to just get completely trend fighting and say, hey, today's the day it's going to turn? I mean, it just doesn't make sense to me. All right, it doesn't make sense why people would try to do that. What's the glory in it? There's way more risk than potential reward. All right, so what I'm looking for this week is for this move to actually accelerate here and finally give us a blow off type of move. A nice reversal candle forms, and at least that's something to lean against. Does it have to happen that way? No. We could gap down off of news, and that could be it. A lot of things. Okay. Now, I am not looking for an all-out reversal here. Do not misunderstand me. I am just looking for this to take a rest, to catch its breath, to get its legs back. Okay, not legs back. I'm sorry. If in other words, I'm looking for it to rest. Maybe get its legs cut out and then build them back. That's what I'm looking for. I don't want to. There's nothing to get back. The market's at all-time highs. Okay, so pardon that for a little confusion there. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for us to pull back here, to give the bulls yet another chance, and specifically to give the late to the party bulls a chance to get on board. Because when the final bears throw in the towel and just go, I just give up, we're just going higher, and when every last bull, or close to every last bull, has been satisfied by buying, that's when the reversal could come in. There are, believe it or not, still bears out there. There are people that are calling to go, just keep shorting here. It has to end eventually. And, I mean, even a 5% decline from here would only get us back to the 50-day moving average. This was like a 4% or something decline, I think. Okay, I don't know the exact number. It doesn't matter. All right, but it came down to the 50-day, and that was it. All right, so, I mean, a sharp move from here would only bring a 5% move from here would only bring it down to the 50-day moving average, right? So, I mean, let's do the math. Let's call it 167. So you're looking 5% on 167 is 835. 835 minus 166.95, we'll call it, so I don't fry my brain. All right, so what are you looking at? 140, 58.60. Yeah, it would be up here, but, right, that's if it happens in one fell swoop. If the 50-day moving average continues to move in this angle, then by the time we got there, it would probably meet the 50-day again. And that's a 5% decline from here. All right, so am I saying that a big pullback can't come in? Of course not. It can happen. All right, and I always get nervous when we're stretched, when we're so far away from even the short-term moving average. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 consecutive closes above this 10-day moving average. It's just unsustainable. All right, it's just not gonna stay like this. That being said, it's not okay. It's unsustainable. Get short. What happens if this thing decides to accelerate? What happens if this thing decides to just squeeze and just crush those last bearish folks that are still trying to hang on? We don't want to be one of them. So anyway, again, I am looking for a rest. I am looking for a pullback here. Not going to guess when it's going to come. And I am going to be watching that pullback as of now for another buying opportunity. Have a great week. Have a great holiday. I will talk to everybody again in the next video or daily on the email or in the newsletter. Take care.